How to fix if you can't follow anyone on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix if you can't follow anyone on TikTok. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to assure that you have the stable internet connection on your phone or not. So for that, open the settings and from here you can easily check your Wi-Fi or cellular data whether you are on stable internet or not, and after you confirm it, you'll have to just exit from here and open the TikTok application. Alright, so after you open the TikTok, you'll got such interface. So from here, tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from the profile section, tap on three line just at the top right corner. And from here, tap on settings and privacy. Okay, so from the section, you'll have to scroll down and come on the sections like cash and cellular. So from there, tap on the option free of space. Okay, so from the section, tap on the option like cache. So simply tap on the clear option. Alright, so from the section, tap on the option clear to clear the cache of TikTok application, and after you clear it, you'll have to just exit the TikTok app and you'll have to just open the TikTok application again. And after you open the TikTok, your problem might be solved now. So if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just exit from here and open the settings on your device. Alright, after you open the settings, you'll have to open general. From here, tap on iPhone storage. Alright, so from here, you'll have to find out the application TikTok, and after you find it, tap on that. Okay, so from here, tap on the option upload app, and after you tap on upload app, you'll have to again tap on the option reinstall app, and after you complete this process, your problem might be solved now. So if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just open the TikTok application again. Alright, so after you open the TikTok application, from the profile section, tap on the option three line just at the top right corner. From here, tap on settings and privacy. And from here, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom, and from here, tap on the option report a problem. Alright, so from here, scroll down at the bottom and tap on the chat with us option. And from here, tap on account. Alright, so from this section, at the bottom, you'll have to just explain your problem briefly to TikTok support team, and after you explain the problem like you can't follow anyone on your TikTok account, you'll have to just tap on the option send, and after you make a request to TikTok support team, they will surely review your problem, and from there they might be provide you some guidelines or procedure to fix that problem on your TikTok account. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.